guys, Chox here. Welcome back to my channel, to the Moon in Space playlist. We're in the backfield and it's Friday, January 10th, and this beauty is just setting. I had to run out here. The color is not coming up though. Alright, here's a look at the setting moon off in the horizon. We'll try to catch this bad boy tonight. Ooh, it's windy. Good morning, beautifuls. It is Friday, January 10th. Hi guys, Chox here. It is 5:32 p.m. This is the exact opposite of where we were watching this beautiful moon set this morning. Here, let's just take a panoramic. So this morning, that clip that we just saw was from right over there on that horizon, where that gorgeous sunset is happening. So we made it. Teamwork makes the dream work. Hubby said the moon is rising. Oh, thank you. I've been looking for it. So here we are. This is actually the first full moon of the year, the first full moon of the decade. Focus, little camera. It's minus 25 degrees Celsius out here. So it is fairly cold to get a shot. But here we are. Yay. All right, minus 23, look. It's very cold. So this little beauty is 99.6% full. Let's see if I can zoom. There we go. Hello, beautiful. Oh, awesome. The thing that's really cool about this big full moon right now, too, is that there was a penumbral eclipse that happened today. Could not see it in North America, which is where I'm at. I lost a glove. All right, then. Could not see it in North America, but it's pretty cool that the first full moon of the decade has an eclipse attached to it. So this is known as the full wolf moon or the full ice moon. Arr, arr, arr. Do some howling at the moon. There were sundogs this morning, so it's going to drop in temperature. The weather's going to change. But how special is this? Oops. Bringing in the new year, the new decade, with a beautiful big full moon. Fortunate enough to catch it rising over the back here. So it is very cold and icy here in Canada. Do you ever notice how hard the moon is to photograph? That's what I was trying to do. So here we are, just watching the beautiful full moon rise. Happy New Year, happy new decade, happy full moon. So excited to be on this journey of just watching the moon. absolutely stunning. Let me know in the comments down below if you were able to catch the eclipse where you're viewing your skies in your country. Absolutely fantastic view out here tonight. I'm so grateful that I'm able to catch this. So here we go, you guys. I'm going to leave it here and go inside and get warm. Please click one of these boxes hanging out around the moon, and it will take you to the Moon in Space playlist. It'll take you to a YouTube recommended video, and I'd love to have you subscribe. Thanks so much for hanging out here with me, space watching the moon. I will see you next time.